Let's make 2 drinks in one from the Kraken Rum, the Doc Ock and the Pittsbirch. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make 2 drinks, which are really only one drink. It's called the Doc Ock or the Pittsbirch. Both of them are from the Kraken Rum, and both of them are on their website to showcase their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. And they're the exact same recipe, even though 2 different names listed twice. I don't know why that is. I'm not a professional bartender. I did work at a dive bar for a bit, but I spent more time on the other side of the bar drinking rather than serving. And what I drank when I drank in those dive bars were rum and cokes. Back then, the Kraken was unavailable where I drank. But if it was available, I probably would have drank that with my Coke. And this is essentially the Kraken's version of a rum and cola. However, it's a very specific cola. They're calling for Dr. Pepper. So it is a Doc Ock. But it's also named the Pittsbirch. I don't know why. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Doc Ock or the Pittsbirch from Kraken Rum, then you kind of have to use their black spiced rum. You can mix Dr. Pepper with any kind of rum that you want, really, but then it's not going to be one of their proprietary recipes. It's not going to be either one, really. One of the things that annoys me on the Kraken's cocktail recipes is that they use the term parts. Now, this is a very simple drink, so when you say 3 parts Dr. Pepper and 1 part rum, it kind of makes sense, because then you can put it in any size glass. But I would really rather have real measurements like ounce or milliliter. So if you're with the Kraken Rum and you see this video and you take my criticism to heart, feel free to change your website and let me know you did so. So we are going to make this drink in the glass. A highball is what I'm going to use. I'm going to add some ice. That'll be enough. I'm going to add 1 part rum and 3 parts Dr. Pepper. So I'm going to use ounces. So 1 part is 2 ounces. So that's what I'm using. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And is it just me, or is the desire to put your fingers through these little loops counterproductive to pouring? Well, let me know in the comments down below. So I use 2 ounces of the rum, the black spice rum from the Kraken. I'm going to use 6 ounces of Dr. Pepper, and this is a 7.5 fluid ounce can, so I shouldn't use the whole can. Still some in there. Perfect. Now, garnish. Lime wedge. A lot of people put it on the edge with this sort of thing. I just like dropping it in. I'm going to poke it down with my straw. And there you have it. The Doc Ock or the Pittsbirch from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Do you enjoy dive bars? If so, what do you drink there? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know where you're going so I can meet you there. Cheers. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you'd like one, let me know through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media link, might as well follow me on one of those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe if you want to see more Kraken drinks, especially easy ones like this, or more complicated ones as well. In any case, I hope you enjoy it, and cheers.